Hi creative friends, I'm Jane and this is my sister Sonia from Sustain My Craft Habit. Ever since starting Sustain My Craft Habit in 2015, Sonia and I have been thinking about how to start a sustainable product line. And we're so happy to share with you today that after much planning, research, and development, we are launching SMCH Stitched.
We really believe that everyone can make a difference. So whether it's using reusable bags or wearing clothes that are made from natural fibers, we should all feel really good about the choices we make. So we're contributing by creating products that are long-lasting, made of good quality natural materials, and that are not harmful to the environment.
In our shop, we're offering pretty impractical handmade goods from aprons, tote bags, home decor, and face masks. And what makes SMCH Stitched different is that everything's been purposefully designed to be eco-friendly.
We have sourced fabrics made from sustainable fibers such as hemp and certified organic cotton, along with other natural materials like wood, accent pieces that are all part of the product line. So I've always loved clothing. I've always loved fashion.
Yep.
Yes. So it's probably the reason that I've been working in the apparel industry for 20 years.
Yeah.
And although I still love it, I find that as I'm getting older and my family gets older, I'm looking for other options that are better for the environment. So the idea is that we are creating products that are made from sustainable fabrics and natural materials. So items that over time, when we're done with the products, we don't have any more use for them, are going to naturally biodegrade and break down, and we'll have nothing left of them on the earth. So that feels
that's
good.
An important part.
Yes.
Yeah, the biodegradability and everything, even from the product itself to the packaging, right? Because that's an important thing. We're trying to make sure that even the packaging that the products come in will biodegrade.
And additionally, the sustainability of the fibers that we're going to be using is also very, very important. So we've sourced materials that are certified organic cotton, which means that they aren't using the same amount of insecticide and pesticides that you normally would with any cotton material. Using hemp means that we're using fibers that come from crops that are easily and quickly renewable and aren't harming large forests and the ecosystem. So the idea also is that we are using, the way that we're designing is going to be with zero waste in mind. So even some of the products that we offer, like the pumpkins, we are making sure that everything that
inside
that pumpkin is also going to be natural and break down over time.
But you're also using like the leftover fabrics from other pieces for the stuffing for those pumpkins, right? So that's the zero waste part.
That's the zero waste part.
Great.
So if you'd like to know more about this topic of sustainability in fashion, we have a blog post at Sustain My Craft Habit where you can take a look, read over, and also learn a little bit more about other natural fibers and fabrics that are available. Hopefully we'll also include those in our shop in time.
In the future,
In the future, yeah.
And speaking of the shop, so please do stop by. It's SMCH Stitched on Etsy. We'll leave the link to that below. Take a look, favorite the shop, and let us know if there's any other products that you think we should add to the shop. With the holidays coming up, maybe you have a friend or family member who really appreciates handmade and would get the value of natural, sustainable products, eco-friendly products. So thank you.
Like this apron?
Like this apron that I love. It's so nice and lightweight and cozy. Thanks so much for watching, friends, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.